I prepare for committee for thesis, PhD and master degree. Okay. Now I study from UK to prepare my university.
Now I'm going to show you. Now we are going to visit one of the laboratories.
Now I'm unable to study this project. Okay, so I want to.
Hola. This is the laboratory where many of the research students or PhD they are studying. The fields because they are analyzing the quantity of the water. Because sometimes many of the water that we are going to the rivers first, we have to make the recycling. And they are using different kind of the tanks and the biotruck to remove or the dirt of the water. So this is usually this kind of water. And then they analyze what are the pollutants and how to remove all these pollutants. Then they send the water against yeah, fresh water. Coming, from the toilet, from many places, that we make a primary treatment to remove all these pollutants. For example, on this one, here we can put all the samples and there is like
Cái cái lại mesin pisau
that they
na pisau tấp
measuring one by one.
na ni cái lại là pisau tấp
This is for organic pollutants. There is another one there for normally copper, carbon, whatever, sodium. So this one is for inorganic and this is for organic pollutants. And this is the way that normally we are analyzing everything. Well, many of the international projects are based here in this laboratory or another one. So normally this is from research and this is for students. Normally when we have the practice, we do it here. I give a lecture about pollution and
lab.
I use this place. Yeah, most of them are PhD students now. They sometimes they are coming from America, Latin America, and sometimes they are from Spain. But now most of them they are working there, and one day they will be professors here.
Thank you so much.